Assalamualaikum and hi everybody. This is another video from me. It is aimed to give you a short overview about the real workers that are responsible in treating the pollutants for secondary treatment system, which is microorganism. For your information, there are few basic ingredients for biological treatment. One of it is availability of microorganism. Second is on contact between microorganism and organic materials, and the third one is favorable environmental conditions. So these environmental conditions normally is in terms of temperature, pH, mixing intensity, and the presence of toxic agents. Microorganisms use some of the organic matters in order to synthesize new cell materials. They obtain the energy from their synthesis and cell maintenance functions by degrading some of the organic matters to simple compounds. Thus, biological growth involves both cell synthesis and biodegradation processes. Okay, let me now introduce you to few of microorganisms that really work hard in a secondary treatment system. One of them is bacteria. They are among the highest populations in the sewage treatment system, and normally they are single cell organisms that use soluble food. Second is fungi. Multicellular, non-photosynthetic, heterotrophic organisms, oblige aerobes that reproduce by various methods, fissions, budding, spore formations, require half as much nitrogen as bacteria, and they are also predominant in nitrogen deficient wastewater. The third one is algae. Algae is photoautotrophs microbes. It can be in unicellular or multicellular. Algae normally contains chlorophyll, which produced oxygen through photosynthesis. Number 4 is protozoa. It is a single cell microbes that can reproduce by binary fissions. Beauty about protozoa, it can consume bacteria, desirable in wastewater effluent as polisher in consuming the bacteria. The other organisms that also play a role in wastewater treatment systems are rotifers and crustaceans. Rotifers are the microbes that having a rotating motions of two sets of cilia on its head, and normally they consume bacteria and small particles of organic matter. Besides that, there are crustaceans. Don't be panic with the names. Crustaceans, which consist of shrimps, lobster, food for fish, found in lagoons. The presence of these crustaceans basically is an indicative of high level of dissolved oxygen and low level of organic matters, which means a very good water is already obtained. So now let us see different types of decompositions in wastewater treatment, which is normally consists of aerobic decompositions, anoxic decompositions, and anaerobic decomposition. This illustration shows the aerobic decomposition. So under the correct environmental conditions, microbes require oxygen. So food normally contains organic matters will be decomposed by the microbes to produce stable solids. Besides that, the microbes also multiplied. So this is the illustrations of anoxic decompositions. So from these illustrations, you might see a group of microorganisms used chemically combined oxygen that was found in either nitrite or nitrate. So these organisms consume organic matter to support their life functions. They use organic matters, combine oxygen with from nitrates and nutrients to produce nitrogen gas, carbon dioxide, stable solids, and more organisms. The final one that I would like to share with you is anaerobic decompositions. So basically, this process is a complex biochemical reaction carried out in a number of steps by several types of microorganisms that require little or no oxygen to live. Okay, during this process, a gas that is mainly composed of methane and carbon dioxide, also referred to as biogas, is also being produced. So the amount of gas produced varies with the amount of organic waste fed to the digester, and temperature influences the rate of decompositions and gas productions. So guys, more detail on these processes will be explained in the next course, which is advanced wastewater treatment.